Welcome back to another Funko vid. This is number 307 of my Funko Pop collection, Birds of Prey Harley Quinn Roller Derby. I got this for Christmas as well, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah. Yeah, I like that. Here's Roller Derby Harley Quinn, and as always with all the Harley Quinn Funko Pops, still looking adorable. I love how this looks. I love the pigtails are basically duct taped onto the helmet. Yeah, I love how this pop looks. Of the little boots or skaters. Yeah, I definitely got this during Christmas time.